Hi guys, I'm Rebecca and these are my reviews and I have a Vine O box. I have been reviewing these boxes since they started a couple years ago and I love them. They are fun. The boxes are, I want to say $69.99. They are quarterly, so they come out, 4 times a year and they always have different themes. Plus you can always get one-off boxes in between. Like if you need one for a gift or you just want an extra box or for whatever. And I do have a discount code, so make sure you check out the description box for all of that info. Okay, so let's just open this up. When you sign up, you can sign up for 2 bottles of red, 2 bottles of white, a red and a white, or sweet wines. They do send this to me, and they usually send me a red and a white. So you also get a box of goodies. It's like 5 to 6 pampering items. And then, oh, I think they sent me 3 bottles in here. That's exciting. Okay, I have Wicked Bliss. This is a California Syrah. Look at that label. How cute is this label, right? I just love this. And then I have Tines. This is a California Reisling. Oh, that's fun. And a new Crush red wine blend. So these wines are great on their own. In fact, they actually started doing their own just wine shop on their site and a wine subscription. So if you want to get extra wine in addition to your quarterly goodie box, you can also subscribe to their wine club, which is great. You get all of these fabulous wines, and I love that they started doing that so that you do have the option to get more of these wines, because these wines are great. I usually end up saving them for when I have company because I feel like they're really good crowd pleasers. Everybody always loves them. I'm excited to try this Riesling. I'm usually not a big fan of sweet wines, but my best friend, my sister, and my husband all really like sweet wine. So the next time we have them over, we'll definitely open this one. Okay, so now let's see what's in the goodie box. All right, here we go. Fun. Oh, I'm really excited to see what's in here. Okay, so this is our little pamphlet. They used to do cards, but they started doing this pamphlet, and I think I actually like the pamphlet better. It's just fewer things to deal with, and you still get all of the same wonderful information on each of the products, and they always have like little discount codes and stuff at the bottom, so if you find something you love, you can order more of it with a discount. Rule breaker. Plant-based and deliciously soft-baked deep chocolate brownie bites. Well, 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 and there's a big sign that says less sugar, no nuts, great for school. Let's check it out, shall we? I love that they always send you a little treat in here because I love me some treats. Oh, these are funny. They're not particularly big, little nuggets. They're not overly sweet. It's actually a nice light sweetness, but chocolatey, soft. Yeah, I could eat these. They're not bad, they're not bad. I kind of want to put some nuts in them. That's me, I love nuts. Okay, good. Ooh, I think I do. Are these different? Awesome. I have one of these, the Potted Plant. It's a hemp body lotion. So the one that I have is vanilla chai. I might have gotten this in a Vine O, I don't remember, but I love this stuff. It's really great, and I keep it next to the couch over here because there's honestly like lip balm and hand lotion all over my house, in my purse, in my car, because I always need it. Okay, let's smell this. Sorry, I'm like running out of breath trying to eat this chocolate. Okay, let's smell this. Oh, that's quite nice actually. It's Herbal Blossom. So I was a little bit afraid. I don't usually like floral scents, but this is a little more fruity. And I really like the texture of this. It's not a super heavy moisturizer, it's more lightweight. Okay. All right, let's try this out. Okay, now that it's on my hands, I'm getting a little more of the floral herbally, but it's still a nice light kind of, I don't know, I like it. I like it. Back to You microfiber washcloth 3-pack. These are like makeup remover washcloths. Oh, these are awesome. I love these things. This is exactly what I use to take my makeup off, and I love that they're black because I have like a pink one from Makeup Eraser that just, it gets so gross and immediately is no longer pink, and no amount of washing is ever going to get my mascara out of that thing. But these things do take your makeup off so well. I use a makeup balm and then wipe it off with this. I don't use this with just plain water. Just doesn't work for me. I prefer a makeup balm, but anyway, I'm really excited to have these. These are awesome. Is this a wine glass perchance? I've actually gotten several really cute wine glasses from them. Yes Way Rosé. How cute is this? It's got like the pink kind of frosted thing going on at the bottom. Oh, that's super cute. I love this. And it is glass, but it feels really lightweight. At first I thought it might be plastic, but it's glass. Oh, this is awesome. I love these kind of glasses. Clip and Sip Silicone Umbrella Drink Markers. Oh, these are so cute. I have a lot of wine charms that go on a stem of a glass, but very few for stemless glasses. These are cute. I thought they were gonna be like too big. I think I have that one backwards. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. And there's, you know, green, blue, white, purple, red, and yellow. How cute. It's not too big. Like I'm not gonna, you know, and it doesn't fall off. These are really cute. Oh, I love these. I'm definitely going to use these. Okay, and my final item looks like some earrings. Giant tassel earrings. I'm actually not wearing earrings right now, so I'll put these on. All right. Whoa. Oh, those are super extra. I kind of love these. Annie Austen. Ooh, look at those. Okay, so that's my Vine O. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and got some good info about this box in case you were interested in getting one. Again, they make awesome gifts, and I know Mother's Day is coming up. I have a bunch of birthdays in my life that are coming up, or, you know, just get one for yourself because you deserve it, right? Again, all of the information will be in the description box, so make sure you check that out. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!